her.
Strong legs.
When you were her age, you were cruising the furniture like you owned the place.
Mom, come on. She's only 11 months old.
And she is cruising. I'm just saying, 11 months is practically a year. Most babies are taking steps by now. Oh, please.
The doctor says she's well ahead of her age.
Well, I'm just saying. Can you please just drop it?
Where's the baby?
When you overpay on property taxes, it's like your house is leaking money. Ownwell gets your money back.